In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. Duplicating a board is really useful when you already have a layout or workflow that works well and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you've set up a great project template, a content calendar, or a task tracker. Instead of recreating all the columns, groups, and automations, you can simply copy the board and be ready to go in seconds. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and navigate to the workspace where your board lives. Open the specific board you want to copy, just like you normally would. You need to be inside the board itself, looking at its content, before you can duplicate it. Next, look for the board's name at the top of the screen. Right next to the name, either in the top left or top right area of the header, you'll see a small three-dot menu icon. It looks like 3 dots in a row. Click that three-dot menu to open more options for the board. When the menu opens, move your mouse down and hover over the option called More Actions. Don't click yet, just hover. This will expand an additional submenu with extra tools related to your board. From that expanded list, select the option that says Duplicate Board. This is where you choose exactly what you want to copy from the original. A pop-up window will appear with a few duplication types. These options decide how much of your existing board gets carried over into the new one. The first option is Structure Only. Think of this as copying just the skeleton of the board, all your groups, columns, and overall layout, but no items or data. This is perfect if you want a fresh, empty template. The second option is Structure and Items. This copies both the layout and all of the items on the board, including their values, but not the updates or conversation history. It's great when you want all your data as a starting point, but you don't need past discussions. The third option is Structure, Items, and Updates. This takes everything: the layout, the items, and all the comments and updates on those items. Choose this if you need a complete clone for record keeping or parallel projects. Once you've selected the duplication type that fits your needs, simply click the blue Duplicate button. Monday.com will create your new board, and it will appear in your workspace, ready for you to rename, reorganize, and start using right away.